Yeah, I'll have to keep
Hello,
it.
Harrison parents,
Use it for-
children, staff, community. My name is Kathy Nault, and I'm the retiring principal at Harrison Elementary. My goal 5 years ago was to open this building, and it's being done. And now I'm turning the reins over to this wonderful new administrator. I'll let him introduce himself, but trust me, he will make this building fly. And we used to say the little school that always could is now even going to do greater things with Jim. So at this time, I'm going to have Jim introduce himself. Thank you, community, for this gift. Where do you see it?
Thank you, Kathy. I appreciate that. I'm Jim Conrad, your new principal. Just wanted to give you a couple minutes of footage of the new building you're not able to see this evening, that we will be able to have you in next week. Due to COVID and construction and everything else, we weren't able to have you here for open house tonight, but we wanted to show you a few parts of the building. With that, we'll go to the gymnasium. Thank you. As you can see, we're still in the middle of unpacking. This is your new gymnasium. You can see the activity behind us where they're still moving things back into the building for our staff, for your students next week. This is going to be an absolutely gorgeous, wonderful space for our students, wonderful for our community, and we can't wait for you to see it.
Think about what our gym looked like before. And when we asked the students what they wanted in a new building, they always said a huge gym. Well, you got it.
And here's your new cafeteria. Obviously, it looks much different than it was before with the new kitchen. Something else you'll be able to see next week at our alternative open house that we're going to have. We'll send more information out later this week after you watch this video, so you know when that's able to happen.
This is unbelievable, the transformation. Look at the windows. Remember how dark it was in here? Now we have light. Look at these stand stations and the new drinking fountain. We had none of this in our old cafeteria. Again, thank you to the community. Remember the library in the basement? In the basement. No lights, no windows. Look at what we have now. We're with the trees, so we've nicknamed our library the Tree House.
And as you can see, Judy Kringen's still very busy unpacking all the wonderful books, all the old books that we had, getting things ready for students to still be able to check out even during COVID. We're very excited to have that up and running and for you to experience this when you're able to come into the building and join us.
Hello, Harrison families. It's Miss Jen. I've missed you so much. I am more excited this year than ever for back to school. Why? Because we have the biggest, most beautiful gift waiting here for you, our school. But ever since I arrived, I've been trying to figure out what's missing. It's you and your laughter filling these wonderful spaces. I cannot wait for Tuesday and for you to arrive and finish this masterpiece. See you then.
Hey Harrison kindergartners, it's Mrs. Roberts.
And Mrs. Batts, we've been busy getting our classrooms ready for you to come and see us.
We look forward to seeing your smiling eyes here with us on Tuesday next week. See you soon.
Bye.
Hi first graders, I'm Mrs. Sauer.
I'm Mrs. Wing.
We're so excited for the school year to start.
We can't wait to see you on Tuesday.
Bye.
Hi everyone, we miss you so much here at Harrison. The teachers are excited to be back in our building, or in our new building I should say. The classrooms are big and they're beautiful. They're just not set up yet. So we're really excited to see you the first day of school. And second graders coming in, and third and fourth graders from past years stopping back to say hello. So I'll be working really hard over the next couple days to get our room set up and ready, and can't wait to see you on the first day of school. See you soon.
Welcome, second graders. I'm Guy Kelm. Come on in and see our new classroom. Now you're gonna see a lot of things in boxes. That's because I'm just starting to unpack, but by next week, you're gonna see everything in order in this brand new space. I'm so excited, mostly about the sink. Can you believe that? We have a sink in our room. So see you next week. Bring all your supplies and ready to learn. See you then.
Hi Harrison families. My name is Mrs. Mose. I teach 3rd grade. I'm looking forward to having all the students back in the school.
Hello, Harrison families. I'm so happy to be back. My name is Mr. Sphere, and I teach 3rd grade at Harrison. I am so looking forward to seeing you very soon.
Hi 4th graders, I'm Mrs. Luke. I'm busy getting our brand new classroom ready for the first day of school. I can't wait for you to see it and to see the whole building. We've missed you all. We'll see you in a few days.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Payne, one of the 4th grade teachers here at Harrison. I am busy getting our brand new room ready and cannot wait to meet all of my 4th graders next week and see all of the other students in our beautiful new building. So I look forward to next week and we'll see you later. Bye.
Good afternoon, Harrison students. I hope all of you had a great summer. I'm excited to see all of you. Hopefully you guys are busy reading and exercising and playing outside and spending time with your family. Excited to have you back. Hopefully we get to have Phi-Ed soon. Take care. See you soon.
Welcome back, Harrison friends. It's Mrs. Bates. I can't wait to see all of your sunny faces next week.
Hi Harrison Hawks, it's Mrs. Gore, the speech pathologist. I am so excited to be back at school and I can't wait to see everyone. You're going to be so excited to see our building. It's beautiful. Can't wait to see you on Tuesday. Bye.
Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kringen in your brand new library. I can't wait to see you all next week. See you then.
Hi, I'm Jill McCulley. I'm a reading interventionist here at Harrison Elementary. I had a great summer playing with my family at the lake and doing lots of camping. I hope you had a great summer too, and I can't wait to read with you.
Hi, my name is Becky Meyer, and I am a reading interventionist here at Harrison Elementary School. I had a great summer with my family, and I am looking forward to seeing you roaming the halls at Harrison soon.
Hi, this is Mrs. Payne at Harrison. Excited to welcome you back to another great school year.
Hi Harrison friends! Welcome back to a new school year. I'm Mrs. Plowski, your music teacher. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you and working with you in all sorts of different ways. Music's going to look a lot different this year, but it's going to be great. It's going to be a super year. Can't wait to see you.